Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Is your Android phone refusing to update its software? It can be incredibly frustrating when you know there is a new version out there but your device just won't cooperate. Do not worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we will walk you through several solutions to fix the issue of your Android phone not updating its software. So let us get started. There are multiple reasons why your phone might not be updating, including insufficient storage, network issues, software glitches, and more. We will cover each of these and provide step-by-step solutions. Solution number 1. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for downloading and installing updates. Here's how to ensure your connection is solid. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Network and Internet or Connections, depending on your device. Number 3. Ensure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Avoid using mobile data for software updates as it may be unstable and incur charges. Number 4. If your Wi-Fi is low, try restarting your router or moving closer to it. A poor internet connection can interrupt the update process, so make sure you have a stable connection before trying to update your software again. Solution number 2. Check storage space. Software updates require a significant amount of storage space. If your phone doesn't have enough space, the update won't proceed. Here's how to check and free up storage. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on Storage or Device Care. Number 3. Check how much available space you have. If you are low on space, try the following. Delete unused apps by going to Settings, App, App Name, and Install. Clear cache data by going to Settings, Storage, Cache Data, Clear cache data. Move photos, videos, and other files to cloud storage or an external SD card. Freeing up storage space can resolve many update issues. Once you have cleared enough space, try downloading the update again. Solution number 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes, simple restart can fix many issues, including software update problems. Here's how to restart your device. Number 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Number 2. Tap on Restart or Reboot. A quick restart can clear temporary glitches that might be preventing your phone from updating. Solution number 4. Check battery level. Your phone needs sufficient battery power to complete a software update. Here's how to ensure your battery is ready. 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on Battery or Device Care. Number 3. Ensure your battery is charged to at least 50%. If not, plug your phone into a charger and wait until it is sufficiently charged before attempting the update again. Ensuring your battery is adequately charged can prevent interruptions during the update process. Solution number 5. Clear system cache. Clearing the system cache can resolve issues related to software updates. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Turn off your phone. Number 2. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until the manufacturer's logo appears. Clearing the system cache can resolve any temporary files or glitches that are preventing the update from going through. Solution number 6. Check for system updates manually. Sometimes, automatic updates might not work as expected. Here's how to check for updates manually. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on System or Software Update. Number 3. Tap on Check for Updates or Download and Install. Manually checking for updates ensures you are aware of any available updates and can initiate the download yourself. Solution number 7. Update using a computer. If your phone still won't update, try using a computer. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Visit the manufacturer's website, example, Samsung, LG, etc., and download the latest firmware for your device. Number 2. Download and install the manufacturer's PC software, example, Samsung Smart Switch, LG Bridge. Number 3. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Number 4. Open the PC software and follow the on-screen instructions to update your phone. Using a computer can sometimes bypass issues with over-the-air updates and help you get the latest software. Solution number 8. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can resolve connectivity issues that might be preventing the update. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. tap on System or General Management. Number 3, tap on Reset or Reset Options. Number 4, select Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. Resetting network settings will require you to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, but it can resolve any network-related issues hindering the update. Solution number 9, Factory Reset. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Here's how to do it. Number 1, open the Settings app. Number 2, tap on System or General Management. Number 3, tap on Reset or Reset Options. Number 4, select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. Before performing a factory reset, make sure to back up your important data, as this process will erase everything on your phone. After the reset, set up your phone as new and check for updates. This should resolve any persistent software issues. Bonus tips: preventing future update issues. To ensure smooth software updates in the future, here are a few bonus tips. Number 1, keep your phone clean. Regularly clear cache and unnecessary files to maintain optimal performance. Number 2, avoid beta versions. Stick to stable software versions unless you are comfortable dealing with potential bugs and issues. Number 3, monitor storage. Always keep some free storage space for updates and new apps. Number 4, stay connected. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection during updates. Number 5, charge regularly. Keep your phone charged and avoid letting the battery drain completely. To recap, there are multiple solutions to fix the issue of your Android phone not updating its software. Check your internet connection. Ensure sufficient storage space. Restart your phone. Check the battery level. Clear the system cache. Check for updates manually. Update using a computer. Reset network settings. And if necessary, perform a factory reset. We hope these tips help you keep your Android phone up to date with the latest software. Regularly updating your phone ensures that you have the newest features, security patches, and bug fixes, keeping your device running smoothly and securely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content to assist you with your tech needs. Please do leave a comment below if there are any other tech problems you'd like us to cover, or if you have any questions. We love hearing from our viewers and are always here to help. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tutorials. By staying subscribed, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date information to keep your devices in top shape. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that we will see you in our next video. Keep your tech running smoothly and stay connected with wireless solutions.